We're here at the NEC in Birmingham for Clean Workwear, part of the Alsco family.
We're here talking to lots of customers about their workwear needs, and we've been talking a lot about getting the right garment to the right person at the right time.
We're looking at protective garments, high visibility, flame retardant, chemical splash garments, speak to specific health and safety people who are concerned about the safety of their workforce.
So when we're talking about industrial and technical PPE, it's very important that we launder them correctly, because if you wash them at home, you wash away the integrity of the garment, and we're making the garment unfit for purpose, and it's unsafe to do this.
By following the garment through the laundry process and using the scanning system, we can know at 4 points through the laundry where the garment is. So at any one time, we know if it's being repaired, if it's being washed, we know that it's being scanned in, and we know that it's being scanned out to the customer, which means that the customer can have complete confidence in the service that we offer.
Using Clean as your workwear provider ensures that your wearers are clean, safe and comfortable throughout their working day.
It's been very busy. We've had people from lots of different industries looking at garment solutions and laundry solutions. So it's been great to have lots of conversations with different people.